Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dan Hank and today we're going to be talking about how to get your lighting correct. Now when it comes to making YouTube videos, a very important thing is your lighting. Now, let me just show you what it looks like in here with my lights off. Ready? Yeah, I mean I can't really film videos like this because it looks awful. Now I have a window right here, that's where you can see this glare on the side of my face, but my room, it doesn't lend itself very well to have my camera over there with the natural light, which is very frustrating for me, but the room's a bit too narrow. So yeah, I gotta set it up this way. So I need decent lights. So let me show you what I have. So first of all, I've shut my blinds because that means that day or night, if I decide to film, my lighting should always be the same. Okay, so this is my view. So I put my camera right there and it aims straight through this ring light. Now above that, I have these lights right here. Now I got these lights from IKEA and I think it was about £5 to £10. It wasn't that much, but you then have to buy a pack of the light bulbs. And it ends up being about £15–20, but I think it looks pretty cool. Also, of course, I have my ring light right here, and you can change the settings on it, the dullness, the brightness, and if it's like a yellow colour or a white colour, and so forth. So now that I have these main lights, I also need to have my background. So over here, I have, well, let me show you. So this thing I got for free, and it's a clothes error, there's two of them. So I took it in half, and one half of it is a shoe rack, and the other I've just put up on these little hooks, and it holds my hats. How cool is that? And I have the battery pack right there, and these are all just pegs to clip on. How nice is that? Now moving on up to the man cave sign. This was from The Range. It was about £5 I think, and it has a built-in light, so that is pretty cool. And of course down here I have this light box, and these are £5 as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. So you're probably thinking, wow, that's a lot of lights. It is, and I haven't even turned this one on yet. I don't even use it, but I can. These aren't important, but they're just extra, and as I have them I might as well show you. Just gonna leave the camera there. So these light bulbs are Philips LEDs, and they link up with Wi-Fi to your HomePod or Alexa, if you have one of those, or straight to your phone. So here I can change the colour to anything. So let's have a look. Go from blue all the way around to red, yellow, green, blue, and yeah, I'll just leave it blue for now. Then you can dull down the brightness, which I think is really cool. Now once again, you don't need these, but I was lucky enough to borrow them from my work, so I use these. So I have two of these tripods right here, there and here. They have a fixing for a screw bulb. So I went to Asda and I got two of these. They were £10 each, and they come with a remote, so I can make them whatever colour that's on here. So I will match it and make it blue as well. And yeah, so I have those lights on my face and these on the back wall with those lit up. Let's have a look at what it looks like, shall we? And there you have it. There is my new lighting setup. This subscribe thing, you've got to make sure that that light box is facing the right way, otherwise it does this and you have that glare. So make sure that anything shiny in your background isn't facing your lights, because it's very off-putting. It's annoying. But guys, if you do like my new setup and you do like this lighting, then please let me know by smashing a like and destroy that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Blah!